Let's put together a short piece of track using Ripplefold products now. This is the same track I used in the other video. It's the ceiling mount, but I'm using a Ripplefold master carrier. You can tell because there are snaps on the front of it, and also because it has a small space in here where our carriers are going to attach to. For this sample, I'm going to use the rollerball carriers. These are the pendants that snap on the bottom of the carriers, my end pieces with returns, and these are my replacement carriers for those end pieces. So let's assemble this track. Start out, I'm going to put the right master carrier into the track, and I immediately have to hook on my first Ripplefold carrier. So take the end and just pull and pop the two pieces apart so that you end up with this little pill on the end of the string. That string needs to sit in this master carrier. It's a little tricky to get it in there, but once you get it started, the string's going to come through the front so that it locks that pill in place. So now your carriers are locked to your master carrier. Go ahead and slide that master carrier in. And now as you put your other carriers in, the top has an opening and a solid back. You want the opening to go toward the metal of the master carrier. I'm just going to slide those in. And because this is such a short rod, we're only going to put 3 carriers on. I know I only need 3 because I have a halfway mark here on my rod, and I don't want to pull this. 2 wouldn't give me enough, 4 would give me too much. So 3 is just perfect. So my last carrier, I'm going to pop that top off just like I did on the other end. And I'm going to hook it into that exchange pendant that you need to buy when you're doing Ripplefold. It's got a top that's ready to take, snap it in, and then cut off any excess carriers that you may have. And I'm ready for my end cap. Now the end cap return for Ripplefold is going to come with a drapery carrier in it. You want to pop that out and pop this one in its place. Of course, all your carriers aren't going to mind, so you need to put that one back on. And then load your end carrier. The thing to keep in mind here is you want this snap facing out because your drapery is going to return to this snap. Hex head screwdriver. I'm going to tighten that down. And then I need to do the same thing on the left-hand side. So I have my master carrier ready. Pop off that first top. The large size of the pill that's left goes down. Takes a little finagling to get it in there. And the string, of course it doesn't go in when you want it to. The string comes over the top and is going to allow that to snap right in. There we go. So I'm ready to put that in. Again, loading the carrier so that the opening is to the front. My last carrier, pop the top off. Pop it into the replacement carrier. Take out the drapery pin, pop this one in, and it goes on the rod. And you want to tighten that down. And that is your Ripplefold system.